Hello and welcome back to Doodle and Design. In our series of basic embroidery stitches is the back stitch. The back stitch is a versatile and essential stitch, perfect for outlining shapes and creating fine, detailed lines. It's easy to learn and very effective. Let's take a closer look at how to do the back stitch step by step. Now, let's move on to the satin stitch. Start by bringing your needle up through the fabric at the edge of the shape you want to fill. Insert the needle back into the fabric across the shape, creating a straight stitch that covers the area. Bring the needle up again, right next to your first stitch, and repeat the process. Make sure each stitch is close together, without gaps, to achieve a smooth, satin-like finish. Continue this process until the entire area is filled. Remember to keep your stitches even and smooth for the best results. Next, we have the buttonhole stitch, an essential stitch for edging fabrics and creating sturdy buttonholes. To begin, bring your needle up through the fabric at the edge, then insert it back down a short distance away. As you pull the needle through, keep the thread under the needle to form a loop along the fabric edge. Continue stitching in this way, spacing the stitches evenly to create a row of loops. The stitch not only reinforces the edge of your fabric but also adds a decorative touch, making it both functional and beautiful. Now, let's explore feather embroidery, a beautiful technique known for its soft, flowing lines that resemble the delicate patterns of a feather. This stitch is perfect for creating leaves, vines, and organic shapes. To start, bring your needle up through the fabric, then make a diagonal stitch to one side. Bring the needle up again a little further down the fabric, catching the thread from the first stitch, creating an open loop. Continue this pattern, alternating sides to create a series of loops that mimic the light, airy look of feathers. Feather embroidery adds a unique, textured element to any design, perfect for bringing nature-inspired motifs to life. Let's dive into the French knot, a charming and versatile stitch that adds texture and dimension to your embroidery. To create a French knot, start by bringing your needle up through the fabric. Wrap the thread around the needle twice, then insert the needle back into the fabric close to where it emerged, pulling through to create a knot. Keep the knot tight against the fabric for a neat, round shape. Repeat this process to form clusters or lines of knots, perfect for adding intricate details to your designs. Next, let's learn the lazy daisy stitch, a lovely and easy technique perfect for creating flower petals and leaf shapes. Start by bringing your needle up through the fabric where you want the base of the petal to be. Create a small loop by inserting the needle back into the fabric a short distance away, then bring it back up through the loop to secure it in place. Repeat this process to form multiple petals or leaves around a central point. The lazy daisy stitch is a great